Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove followers on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Here you can see some informations and posts you shared on your Instagram profile. Tap on Followers section. Choose a follower you want to remove and tap on Remove button. To complete the process, tap on the Remove button again. Thus, the process of removing followers on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.